In this video, we will compare Obsidian versus Noteplanner. Obsidian is a powerful knowledge management and note-taking app that has a unique approach to organising information. It's built around the concept of linking thinking, allowing users to create a network of interconnected notes. These notes are stored in a plain markdown file, making them easy to access, back up and export. Obsidian's core strength lies in its ability to build a second brain. By linking notes together, it enables users to explore relationships between ideas in a non-linear fashion. It offers advanced features such as graph views, backlinks and plugins. These all enhance its flexibility, making it suitable for deep knowledge management. Obsidian is particularly popular amongst writers, researchers and knowledge workers who need to organise large amounts of information and create complex workflows. However, the app does not offer built-in task management or calendar integration, meaning users need to rely on plugins and external tools to manage their tasks. Noteplan is a versatile productivity tool that combines note-taking with task management, calendar integration and daily planning. It operates on a system inspired by the bullet journal method, allowing users to manage tasks, project tasks and even schedule events in a streamlined and organised way. One of Noteplan's key strengths is its flexibility. Users can structure their notes in daily or weekly or monthly views and directly link them to specific tasks on their calendar. It's built for individuals who appreciate having a cohesive workflow that merges tasks and notes all in one place. The app also includes Markdown support, enabling rich text formatting, and it's a very powerful search functionality, allowing for quick reveal of your notes. The overall experience is centered around organizational and productivity, making it ideal for those who want to be efficient. In summary, Obsidian is best for users who want advanced knowledge management systems that emphasize linking and thinking, whereas Noteplan is better for individuals seeking a straightforward integrated tool for task management, note-taking and calendar scheduling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.